Hey guys, what's going on? It's Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up some Hot Wheels. Yes, more Hot Wheels unboxing today. We're going to be opening up some Japanese domestic import vehicles, some JDM cars for my display. And I understand that some Japanese cars are not technically uh, imports to the US, but I just like to call them that just as a group because it's easier and I collect them all anyways. All right, so right in the middle, as you can see, we got some Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02s. I've opened up different colors over the period of time that I've been collecting. I opened up a gray one, a red one from 2022, and then a blue one from 2022. And then these ones that I have here, this red one and this yellow one are from 2023. This black one is a 2022 Kroger Exclusive. So thought I'd finish up opening all these. I'll just go as I go. Got some Hondas and some Nissans and a Mazda in here as well. And we're going to be cracking them all open today. So, we're going to have a blast. Let's see here. Start off with one of the newer ones. This is an 88 Honda CRX. Going to fit perfectly in my shelf. It's going to be a Hot Wheels J Imports 10 of 10 and 148 of 250 on the year. There we go. And this is a 2021 copyright on the packaging. That's copyright's just for the packaging. But yeah, these cars are going to fit really nicely on my shelf. I'm going to give a video on that shelf pretty soon. And I probably will add some premiums to that shelf as well. All right, what do we got here? Beautiful thing right here. S05 base code. So early 2023 manufacture. Made in Malaysia. Love the gold 10 spokes. And a matte gray. That's what that is. A red interior as well. CRX. And then orange, red, and black stripes on the side. Gotta love the detail on the back too. That's awesome. Very nice. Honda. Little hatchback here. And let's see here. We have the black plastic base. 2018. Copyright on the base. And here is a nicer look at that. A roof, a back there, and there you guys go. All right, from 2018, we have the Fairlady 2000, the Nissan Fairlady 2000 from the HW Speed Graphics. This is also best for track, and 55 of 365 on the year, 50th anniversary. And this is from the 2018 C case rather. HW Speed Graphics, Real Race Performers, Speed Fast on Track, 2017 copyright. This was a flea market find quite a while back. I don't usually open Hot Wheels like this. I don't know, I felt like it would pop easier. There we go. Fairlady 2000. And look at that. Very nice light blue color. This looks way better out of the packaging. 1552 on the side. Black 10 spokes. Gotta love it. Very nice casting. Black plastic base. There it is right there. Made in Malaysia. Quite a nice little casting here. Little racing coupe. Driving is on the right, non-American side. And there's some black details right there. And there you guys go. Pretty awesome. Front end. The mirrors are on the hood. Really cool. Gotta love the early Japanese vehicles. And there's the back there. Pretty awesome. This is going to look good in my collection as well. Alrighty, what do we have next? Custom 1970 Honda N600. The first Japanese, or the first Honda to be imported in the US. J Imports 7 of 10. This is a new model for 2021. This is the recolor though. And what do we got here? You can read that if you'd like. First Honda automobile to be officially exported to the US. Alright, let's crack this one. Take a look at what's going on this one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful teal color. Ooh, better be careful. Chrome plastic base. If you leave your fingerprints on these bases, these chrome plastic bases, it'll stay. The fingerprint will stay if it's left there for too long, so it's always a good idea to wipe them off. Looks like a dark teal kind of color, and once again with these black 5-spokes. Check out those details there. That's awesome. There's a custom chrome splitter in the front. Very cute little tiny car. And this is a souped up one for racing. Looks like they messed up on the door a little bit there. That's pretty interesting. That's all right. Oh boy. Look at the bumper. It's hanging off a little bit. I don't know, maybe they ran through some shrubs and tore it off a little bit. I don't know. There you go. Awesome little Honda N600 to add to the collection. New model for 2021. Here we go. Mazda RX-3 from the Nightburners series, 8 of 10. My friend over at Timmy's 10 Again Toys gave me this one quite a while back, and I never got a chance to open it, but here we go. Perfect for my JDM display. This came out very late 2020. And this is actually the first time this car has appeared in the main line. Mazda RX-3. Super speeders designed for night driving. Let's pop it open. Shouldn't be too hard. There we go. That popped straight off. Not any glue there, so that's awesome. Metallic green. Gotta love it. We have a black plastic base. Gold DD8 wheels, deep dish 8-spokes. They're also called ST8s, 8-spoke steelies, but better known as deep dish 8-spokes. There's the front there. Gretty, number 3, Brembo. White, black, and gold designs on this one. Black interior. And this came out as a Super in 2021, the white one. The worst Super of the year. All Supers are nice, but that one wasn't particularly desirable. Very nice green Hot Wheels casting. Mazda RX-3. All right, now we're going to get into the Nissan Leaf Nismos. We'll open up the Kroger one first since it came out first. HW Green Speed 205, 100 of 250 on the year. Kroger Exclusive. I grabbed 2 of these, one to keep in the package and one to open, so don't really need to worry here. It's going to be kind of tough. Let's see. Bring it out of the packaging here. Oh man, gotta love it. Nissan Intelligent Mobility. And then we have the black rims with a red stripe there. Nissan Intelligent Mobility. Completely clear top there. A lot to look at on this model. Very nice. And a matte black tampo that runs from there all the way around. And then the car itself is gloss black. As you can see on this side, it's gloss black. On this side, it's matte black. And that's just the tampo. That's not an error or anything. There you guys go. Driving is on the right side. Never noticed that with these Nissan Leafs. This is a fast Nissan Leaf. This isn't one of the potatoes that you see driving around. This is a real one. This is probably my favorite one of this particular casting that they released, and it happens to be the Kroger Exclusive. 2023 came out with 2 colors, modified, HW modified, 4 of 5. Ooh, I like that picture right there. 91 of 250. As you can see, the packaging's different. This is 2020. This one is 2023. This is a United States card, so I think this will compare better. And this one's on a international card, so it doesn't say guaranteed for life on that. All right, this one came out first. Here's the back of the card there. In red. And not much to look at on this one other than the fact that it's red and... that's interesting. Yeah, okay, so the 2022 releases had the matte tampo on the right side. These ones don't really have a difference in the tampo, but they did do the front end. Wow, they did do the front end on this one. In 2022, they didn't do the front end. There we go. Nissan on the side. Matte black stripe. Same rims. Black interior. There we go. Very nice Nissan Leaf. I have all of the variations of this casting too. That's awesome. Base is any different? I'm assuming they're not going to be. Yeah, just different base codes. Meaning that they are manufactured in different time frames. White one. This is the newest release. And there you go. 2023 L case. Didn't come out too long ago. And this is just an enamel or a gloss white. There is the black plastic base once again. Same rims on all three of these. That's pretty cool. And the 2021 gray one had the same rims. The only one with different rims was the 2022 red one. That was all black on those rims. This is very dark tint windows. Is that the case on the... Yeah, that's the case on both of these. This one, it's easier to see into. But these are all going on my JDM shelf. Nissan Nismo right on the side there. That's awesome. Gotta love these JDMs. And I don't know if the Leaf Nismos is particularly a JDM, but I'm putting it, or a true JDM at least, but I'm still going to put it in my JDM display because that's where all my Nissans go and stuff like that. Alright, thank you all for watching. I'm going to do a follow-up video in a little bit of my JDM shelf. I do have a bunch of premiums to open as well, and I want to put that on the shelf as well, or maybe I can make a Plano case devoted to some of my nicer JDMs, but these are my mainline JDMs, just some of the ones I could dig up. And we're going to have a blast displaying these. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.